In this series of videos, we are going to show you how to grow a banana tree in the UK from this. In this video, I'm going to see if a Basjoo banana plant can survive a light frost. It's the 23rd of March and the temperature is forecast to fall to -2 tonight and touch -3. So check back tomorrow to see if the stalk has died.
Go inside then.
Oh my God. Just get ready. There we go. It's 24 hours later and the banana tree looks like it survived the light frost. This one looks like it survived as well. See if they survive over a week. It's 2 weeks since the frost and the banana tree is looking okay.
Okay.
Two weeks later, and the banana tree survived the frost.
Yes, so I was ready.